Good evening, everyone. I represent a global company called DHL Express. And in India, we are the most dominant express players that there is. So what's our business excellence objectives? We want to be loyalty leader for our customers. They've got to come back to us again and again. That's what we're looking for. And then it's our employees, because we are heavily dependent in our business on employees, and we want to keep them engaged and keep them part of the change process. Our overall global business objectives are delighted customers, reduction of waste, motivated employees, and increased revenue. So coming to ISM, for us the program is called First Choice. It's about becoming first choice for your customers worldwide. Yeah. So it works in 5 phases. You identify your improvement areas, you generate initiatives, evaluate, implement, and control. And you use the DMAC wheel in part 3 and 4. So as with any change, people aren't going to accept it easily. You have your challenges, and these are some of the challenges we faced with ISM or running a DMAC program in our organization. Cynicism to the methodology, because people are very solution driven. They want to go with the gut feel all the time, and especially if you've grown through the rungs, you feel that your gut feel works all the time. So we have a challenge with that. So what we're doing is we're using past project successes, success stories, storyboards to motivate people to try and use these methods. And there's senior management intervention. Like with any change, if it doesn't start from the top, it doesn't work. So basically, we have ensured that the top management buy-in is there, and all of our senior management are actually doing projects as initiative champions. I mean, they are taking time out from their busy schedules to be an initiative champion, get the feel, because they can lead their team by example. They can tell them how it feels, and they know the tools well, yeah? So that's one of the things we're doing. And we're going back again and again to process owners and saying we are not going to bring radical changes. It's a continuous improvement program. We are here to support, help you, and not blame you, to remove their fear of change. So what have we achieved so far? We've achieved a cost saving of 35 lakhs. But if you really calculate the notional savings and what we could have lost, surely is much more. We are again dominant in our customer satisfaction survey. We are the best among all players in the industry in India. Okay, we've increased revenue by doing an ISM. Reduced rework in terms of credit notes going back to the customers, reduction in call volumes because we are able to give the customer the right information the first time, so he doesn't have to call you back again and again. And finally, we've got more than 100 employees trained as change managers or people who could just pick up an initiative and work on it and improve. So I'll just take you through a case study. Most of the customers in our customer satisfaction survey said that they were spending too much time with us when they called us for an order booking, right? So with the help of SSA, we went back, we did a program on it and tried to see why this was so. Yeah, so the problem, the root causes was booking scripts, slow systems, agent knowledge and skills. So we came up with a solution, we worked with them, and we implemented a solution. So our call time for a customer has gone down drastically from 223 seconds to almost 175 seconds today. This is just one example, and it's a small example because I really believe that this is a continuous improvement program, and these are slices and not the whole elephant, right? We can talk about strategy and everything, but really depends on the small improvements, and drops really make the ocean. Yeah. So basically, at the end of it, we achieved benefit of reduction in time, savings, cost savings about 3,982 euros per annum, improved employee morale because they were engaged in the project, they thought they were part of the solution, and the ideas came from them, so the acceptability was really high. Yeah, and finally, last but not the least, all our customers were satisfied. Thank you very much.